Apple Vision Pro. Welcome to the era of spatial computing. Apple Vision Pro seamlessly blends digital content with your physical space. You navigate simply by using your eyes, hands, and voice, so you can do the things you love in ways never before possible. You've never seen everything like this before. Welcome back to our channel, where today we are diving into the world of technology with an exciting announcement from Apple. Get ready, because we're about to uncover everything you need to know about the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro. From its release date and price to its innovative design and mind-blowing features, if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. We have a lot more exciting content lined up for you. Apple has just unveiled their latest innovation in the realm of mixed reality, and it's set to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. From its immersive design to its cutting-edge features, the Vision Pro is truly a game changer. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Release date of Apple Vision Pro. First things first, when can we get our hands on this extraordinary device? According to Apple, the Vision Pro headset is slated for release in the spring of 2024. While the initial launch will be limited to the United States, other countries can expect to see it hit the shelves later in the year. Brace yourselves for an unforgettable event, similar to the iconic Apple Watch launch back in 2015. Price of the Apple Vision Pro. Now, let's talk numbers. Apple has confirmed that the Vision Pro will start at $3,499, but keep in mind that this price is subject to change depending on your location. Additionally, if you require prescription lenses, there will be an extra cost associated with them. While the exact details remain under wraps, one thing's for sure: the Vision Pro delivers a premium experience worth every penny. The design. Prepare to be amazed by the meticulous design of the Vision Pro. Apple has carefully selected materials to ensure a comfortable and customizable fit for every user. The frame, crafted from a custom aluminum alloy, elegantly curves around your face, while a modular design allows for a perfect fit tailored to each individual. The headset features a soft textile light seal and flexible straps for maximum adjustability. With multiple cushioned headband options, you'll find the perfect style and size to suit your preferences. Apple Vision Pro. Prescription eyewear. For those who wear glasses, Apple has got you covered. The Vision Pro offers custom optical inserts by Zeiss, allowing you to correct your vision seamlessly. These inserts magnetically attach to the headset's lenses, ensuring a crystal-clear experience. Keep in mind that the additional lenses are not included in the base price, so there will be an extra cost associated with them. Apple will require a prescription from your optometrist, making sure your Vision Pro fits your visual needs precisely. Specs and features. Now let's delve into the technical marvel that is the Apple Vision Pro. Powered by the impressive M2 processor and a new R1 chip, this headset delivers unparalleled compute performance. With 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 microphones, the Vision Pro captures your surroundings with remarkable precision. It eliminates lag and latency, ensuring a seamless experience that updates images at a mind-boggling 8 times faster than the blink of an eye. The Vision Pro boasts 2 ultra-high-resolution displays, combining to produce a staggering 23 million pixels. Each eye experiences a 4K display, creating a visual feast that can make the virtual world appear as wide as 100 feet. Whether it's rendering videos at 4K resolution or presenting sharp text from any angle, the Vision Pro truly sets a new standard for visual quality. But it doesn't stop there. The Vision Pro's audio system is equally impressive. With personalized spatial audio technology, the headset delivers immersive sound that adapts to your environment. This means you'll feel like you're truly in the midst of the action, with audio that enhances your mixed reality experience. The Apple Vision Pro also introduces a new gesture-based control system. Using a combination of sensors and advanced algorithms, you can interact with virtual objects and navigate through menus simply by moving your hands. This intuitive gesture control adds a new level of fluidity and naturalness to your interactions, making it easier than ever to engage with the digital world. One of the most exciting features of the Vision Pro is its advanced eye tracking technology. With precise eye tracking capabilities, the headset can detect the direction of your gaze, enabling more immersive experiences and intuitive interactions. Whether it's selecting objects by looking at them or adjusting the virtual environment based on your gaze, the eye tracking feature opens up a world of possibilities for developers and users alike. The Vision Pro also supports a wide range of connectivity options. It features Wi-Fi 6E and 5G capabilities, ensuring fast and stable internet connections for streaming content and online experiences. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.2, allowing you to connect various accessories and peripherals to enhance your mixed reality adventures, software, and apps. To provide a seamless and extensive mixed reality experience, Apple has developed a dedicated operating system for the Vision Pro called Apple Vision OS. This platform integrates with existing Apple devices and services, enabling a smooth transition between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. You can access a wide range of apps and content from the App Store, including games, productivity tools, and creative applications optimized for the Vision Pro. Apple is also working closely with third-party developers to create an ecosystem of immersive experiences specifically tailored for the Vision Pro. From educational apps and virtual travel experiences to collaborative workspaces and entertainment content, the possibilities are endless. Privacy and security of Apple Vision. Pro, Apple takes privacy and security seriously, and the Vision Pro is no exception. The headset includes robust privacy features, such as on-device processing and encrypted data transmission. Personal information and biometric data are protected, giving you peace of mind while enjoying your mixed reality experiences. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. We have a lot more exciting content lined up for you. Battery life. Apple says the Vision Pro's external battery pack provides up to 2 hours of use. It can also be used while plugged in. Video conferencing, FaceTime will be available for the Vision Pro and will be able to take advantage of the room around you so that you can see everyone you are talking to in life-size tiles. The participant's voice will also come from the direction of their tile thanks to spatial audio. Apple has created a novel solution to the fact that you have a mask on and don't have a camera in front of you. It can show call participants a persona, a digital representation of the user created using Apple's most advanced machine learning techniques. The persona is based on your appearance and can even reflect face and hand movements in real time. TV and movies, entertainment was a major part of the WWDC presentation, with Apple showing off an immersive experience when watching movies and TV shows. With the new cinema environment, you'll be able to watch shows and movies at the frame rate and aspect ratio the filmmaker intended with immersive spatial audio, and watch movies on what feels like a 100-feet screen. Vision Pro will also support 3D movies including Avatar, Way of the Water. Photos and videos. You'll be able to take spatial photos and spatial videos in 3D with Vision Pro, and then relive those cherished moments like never before with immersive spatial audio. And of course, you'll be able to view your plain 2D photos and videos as well. For example, panoramas shot on iPhone will expand and wraps around the user. Disney CEO Bob Iger joined Apple on stage to demonstrate his excitement about the new technology. In a video demo, he showed movies, TV shows, and sports on Vision Pro that brings entertainment to new levels, including special movie presentations, courtside views, and interactive experiences. Iger said Disney content will be available on day one. Conclusion. In summary, the Apple Vision Pro is a highly anticipated mixed reality headset set to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. With its immersive design, cutting-edge features, and top-notch performance, it promises to deliver an unparalleled mixed reality experience. From its release date in spring 2024 to its price starting at $3,499, the Vision Pro is poised to make a lasting impact on the technology industry. So, get ready to step into the future of mixed reality with the Apple Vision Pro. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure to mark your calendars for its release. The digital world has never been more captivating and immersive, and the Vision Pro will be your gateway to endless possibilities.